奥芬兰今年的热浪是热到有春，甚至一直到即阵，当地出名的耶诞老人村游园时也未落雪。在去年这个时阵，当地是已经零下12度啊。
囡仔看到圣诞老人走去甲揽掉的，欢喜甲一直跳。伫芬兰北部罗万尼米的圣诞老人村，伫北极圈以南6公里的所在。照理讲，即马应该是雪落甲正高，但是即马温度2度，也无到落雪条件。不过伫去年这个时阵，温度是已经降到零下12度。游客来到芬兰的圣诞老人村，看到拢无落雪，加减会失望。
Anxious about the future, a little bit sad because it's our fault.
Figured it would be much more snowy. I mean, it still feels like Christmas just because it's everywhere, but I figured it would be a little bit more Santa-like, if that makes sense. But it's nice to see the kids. They're super excited, so that's kind of pretty cool to see as well. So.
天气安尼生，甲全球暖化有关系。本来来这游客除了甲圣诞老人翕相，也个人耍雪、蹲雪人，甚至坐顺路雪车耍。感受圣诞节的气氛，不过即马拢也无落雪，圣诞老人只好讲好加在伊的路也过会飞。
We can see that the climate change is true, and it's affecting the reindeer. It's affecting the life here in the Arctic, but as we don't know yet how it's going to affect that. One prediction is that we're going to get more snow. It will arrive later. We will get more, and it will stay longer. But we'll see. We'll see.
圣诞老人村邮局的精灵助手，伫咧整理对世界各地寄来要互圣诞老人的批，今年总共收到50万张批。除了讲家己的烦恼，甲厝内人朋友斗阵的问题，也担心世界危机。
Usually, at the end, there's always some positive view for the things, and at least they are able to tell Santa. So at least they have someone to send the letter to, and I think Santa is very important on that part.
标顶有挂游客甲圣诞老人翕的相，其中有一张是中国国家主席习近平2010年来这时阵翕的，有一寡囡仔是逐年拢来，因讲今年的圣诞老人看起来甲去年无啥共，不过现场的气氛也是让人感觉真快乐。公司新闻新乐配编辑。